So now we are in the login page. So after login into the software, this virtual lab, just find the experiment from the given list, and here the to study the diuretic activity using metabolic cage. So again similarly next page, click. So this is the instrument, already we have discussed about the instrument and all. We have discussed about the principle involved into the instrument. Clear, here it is a square shape, so it may be the square shape or it may be the cylindrical shape, but ultimate the use is same. So we will go to the experiment. So divide the animal in two groups, 6 animal in each group, administered one group with the furosemide. Now furosemide, what type of drug? It is a diuretic which is loop diuretic. So furosemide 10 mg per kg, right? And it is through the oral route. So after that, place the animal in the metabolic cage, record the total volume collected after 5 hours. So here it is given for the 5 hours, so you can do it by the 5 hours or the 25 4 hours, whatever it is means as per the protocol, as per the procedure, whatever we want. And the compare the urine output between the vehicle treated and drug treated. So administer the drug. So here the rats are there. So drug it will be given to the rats through oral route, clear, through the oral route, through oral needle. Using the oral needle, the drug can be given to the animal. Okay, now click on each rat. So we'll just click into that rat. So it is a very simple instrument in this whatever it was shown, and which can be prepared very easily. It is a you can say that in our lab we can put the easily. This is a cage, clear cage, and this is the normal funnel, and here the urine. So here already it is showing, clear, it is showing that what is the urine output for 5 hours. Here it is showing that 5 hours. So 2.9, clear, 2.9. So it is the 2.9. Okay, next. So with that you can give the food and water, it can be easily given to the animal. 3.1. So you should note it down to that what is the volume of urinary output or volume of urine for each rat. So one by one we are going to check the all the animals, and you should note it down. Again same procedure, it is there, it is 3. So one by one we will check with the all the rat, clear, with the all the rat, and we are going to note down the observation. Now 2.8. So what is the utility of this experiment? This is a very simple experiment, because you do not require any very sophisticated instrument. You do not require any electricity, that is whatever we have seen about the electroconvulsometer, rotor rod apparatus, all those things. What we have to keep the rat in the cage, for a particular duration you have to feed the rate, and then you will get the result. And this is a simple funnel, whatever we are plastic funnel we can use for this experiment. And here if we are keeping the beaker to collect the urine, so it is very you can say that very easy instrument, clear, easy instrument which we can use to find the diuretic activity of the drug given. So all the drug is 2.8 to 3.2 in this duration, all the for all the value of the urine for all the animal we have got the thing. Now we are going to drug treated. There we will see about the drug treated animal. So it is 11. Now you can see that in case of the vehicle treated animal, what we got maximum 3.2 up to 3.2, that is the value was ranging from the 2.8 to 3.2. But as soon as we have given the fusimide and the volume it is increased, clear, volume it is increased, it is almost shown the 11. And you can say that in all the animal we may observe the values like that. What does it indicate? It clearly indicates that diuretic activity. Now it is 10.6, so it directly indicates the diuretic activity of the given drug. So like that, what we need to do, we need to perform the uh, mm, test for all the animal one by one. We need to find out the urinary output for all the vehicle treated animal and all the drug treated animal, and then we are going to record it, clear, we are going to record it. So this is the experiment. It is the very simple experiment uh, which you can do it using the software. Now it is 10, so it is so like that one by one you perform the you just check the urinary output for the animals, clear. So I think you have understood. So in the next video what we are going to see, that we are going to see about the result, whatever we are getting, how you are what is the tabular column you have to do, and how, what is the discussion part. So that we are going to see into the